This is Sunny Zhou with Xinhua News Agency, reporting from the Pazhou Exhibition Center in Guangzhou, capital of South China's Guangdong province. The 135th session of the China Import and Export Fair, also known as the Canton Fair, opens here on Monday. The event, which will run until May 5th, has attracted exhibitors and buyers from across the globe. What opportunities will the event unveil? Let's delve into the venue and find out.
The fair boasts around 74,000 exhibition booths, and over 29,000 exhibitors are expected to participate. As of Sunday, approximately 149,000 purchasers from 215 countries and regions had completed pre-registration for the event, marking a notable 17.4% increase compared to the previous edition.
First time in Canton Fair, and came here to see to buy some machines and see some factories to products we use in Brazil.
这次的第135届广交会是我们智美通第一次参加广交会。我们这次主要还是来广交朋友，来寻找我们的客源。我们看到这次展会的针对性很强，不仅有大量的大型的这个中国的优秀的制造业企业，重新回到了这个展会，也看到了很多的海外采购商。
The exhibition, which spans an area of 1.55 million square meters, covers various sectors, including smart manufacturing, new energy vehicles, lithium batteries, and solar cells. Organizers have planned over 600 trade promotion activities, further enhancing the scope and reach of the fair. Launched in 1957 and held twice yearly, the fair is considered a major gauge of China's foreign trade.